Hello and welcome to Chesterton, Indiana on a sunny, beautiful day. I'm Paddy Conway from Cotswold Gardens Limited, and I'd like to show you a job that I completed in Ucara. It was my first time. I think it was excellent, and I'd like to show you the parameters of this project. This is the first component. We decided to learn the trade of the Ucara system on a seat walling portion of the project. And I had to pick a product that is cosmetically beautiful but very structural. The Ucara system may seem intimidating at first. There's three major components, in fact four. You need a base pad to get your first backer units level. You have the backer units in the middle, and then you will clad either one side if it's a retaining wall or two sides if it's a seat wall. We are just now for the first time offering clients even the opportunity to clad one side of the wall a different color to the back. There's nothing in the industry that compares to this system. Because of the way the fascia panels and the backers were manufactured and designed, you can get really nice long runs in, and the necessity of cuts can be eliminated just by working to the size of the panels, and it gives it a very strong looking wall with no interruption. As you can see, the panels come in smooth and pitch face, and it was important for us to capture some of the existing stone that is built into the house and also complement the fascia of the coping units. And then as we move into the housing area of this project, you will see that we have a fire pit running into retaining walls. And part of the learning curves on this is you will notice the coping caps. They fit exactly the single backer unit. So when we started the retaining walls, we had a double backer at the base just for additional strength, and we tapered it to a single backer so this coping would fit beautifully onto it. As you can see from the elevations involved, we have the full house foundation to accommodate the kitchen, but also retains the soil, obviously, as a retention system to protect the lower patio areas. When we laid out the kitchen, it was important for us to frame it out underneath to match exactly full panel lengths as we discussed. So I literally framed this kitchen out with Ucara in mind. I didn't want to get to a point where you have skinny cuts for padding, and that's the great thing about this Ucara system and the development of the kitchen units now, is that you can actually build this kitchen with no cuts. This is an exciting advancement of the Ucara system just out. We literally built this mini bar in steel and clad it exactly with the same units that you'll see on the main grille. And what's really interesting about this, it's lightweight and it takes the same clad panels as before, but even better is you can actually see there are no cuts whatsoever in either the width or the depth, and it's manufactured to be built within the hour, which is amazing and is the future of the backyard.